Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do DIY lattes with mango cold foam. Stay tuned at the end of this video for an exciting announcement. Making my iced matcha tea latte with 1 part milk of choice, with 1 and 2 scoops of matcha tea powder, sift it through, add water according to package instructions, add your choice of sweetener to taste, whisk until well combined. Pour it into your glass, give it a stir, add about 1 part of mango puree and 1 part of heavy whipping cream. Blend and pour it over your latte. And enjoy. This mango cold foam is definitely better than Starbucks. Making my iced chai tea latte with 1 part milk of choice and 1 part chai tea concentrate. Give it a stir. Add about 1 part of mango puree and 1 part of heavy whipping cream. Blend and pour it over your latte. And enjoy. This mango cold foam is definitely better than Starbucks. So the exciting news is that for the first time ever, I'm going to be a panelist for Anime Magic in Chicago. So if you're interested in junk journaling and you're going to be there, please check me out. So now I'm excited to announce that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my book, The Cancer Dragon. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. August is Appendix Cancer Awareness Month, available only in orange, with 4 different sayings on the back. Here's a key in case you need it. New t-shirt releases each month, inspired by my memoir about defeating the odds. The book is now available on Amazon in paperback, hardcover, and Kindle. Scan the QR code at the end of this video for your copy. So inspire everywhere with everywhere. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.